In the vast expanse of modern innovation, manufacturing science stands as the critical engine of progress. It is the heart of every gadget, the genesis of each vehicle, and the forge of all tools, forming the solid foundation on which our society rests. By combining the principles of engineering and material science with the boldness of technology, we efficiently and effectively shape the goods of today. More than just creating products, manufacturing science is about sculpting a future that once merited space only in our imagination, transforming raw materials into innovations that enhance life across the globe. So let us embark upon this odyssey of precision and innovation, uncovering the pivotal role it plays in our world. At the crux of every machine and process are foundational manufacturing principles, holding up the structures they create as guidelines are to life. Lean manufacturing and Six Sigma weave through the fabric of production like vital threads, eliminating waste and pursuing near perfection. Imagine an ecosystem where every resource is maximized, every flow of work calculated to complement the greater whole. Let us then move forward to examine how these core principles are not just abstract theories, but practical realities, balancing precision and efficiency in the dynamic domain of manufacturing science. Delving into the tapestry of production techniques reveals varied patterns of innovation. In mass production, uniformity rules, whereas custom manufacturing celebrates individuality as robotics and AI imprint new efficiencies. The art of making adapts, with mass production reducing costs and custom work prioritizing exclusivity. Yet amidst this variety, materials themselves play a crucial role. It's not just about how we produce, but what we use for fabrication, setting the stage to explore the fundamental building blocks of every manufactured entity, the transformative world of material science. The alchemy of material science serves as the cornerstone of innovation, facilitating the transformation of everyday elements into engines of industry. True progress lies in selecting materials that complement the product as meticulously as musicians in a symphony, seeking harmony and durability, cost-effectiveness, and environmental responsibility. The next wave of material marvels, like graphene and bioplastics, emerge as pioneers, redefining our future with infinite possibility. Industrial engineering is the maestro in the orchestra of manufacturing, orchestrating a flawless arrangement of processes. Harmonious productivity arises from this symphony. Ergonomic designs fuse human well-being with efficient output, while system integration ingeniously merges disparate technologies. Each innovation narrates a chapter that builds upon the last, leading us to witness how these breakthroughs provide solutions to the emergent challenges we'll explore in the following segment. Despite the marvels of engineering optimization, the industry confronts an array of production challenges. Resources, despite their abundance, come tethered with costs: financial, environmental, and logistical. Bottlenecks and outdated systems further complicate the manufacturing dance. Above all, the call for sustainable practices guides our mission, emboldening us to reimagine the ethos of production in tune with planetary stewardship. The next chapter unfolds solutions that embrace this challenge, leading us towards a manufacturing future that's as considerate to Earth as it is committed to progress. Facing each manufacturing challenge is a scientific innovation designed to shepherd us into brighter landscapes. Pioneering breakthroughs in materials and waste reduction declare a new sustainable era, rethinking production to minimize ecological impact. The integration of efficiency and sustainability marks a synergistic milestone in manufacturing. As this segment concludes, we look ahead to a transformed industrial domain driven by intelligence, foresight, and the pursuit of continuous improvement. As our exploration concludes, we stand on the brink of a transformative future for manufacturing science. Emerging trends and technologies, advanced robotics, nanotechnology, and interdisciplinary studies promise smarter, more sustainable production methods. These innovations prepare us for a future punctuated with continuous learning and adaptability. The path forward shines with the promise of refining not just industrial practices, but enhancing society and the environment through enduring, sustainable approaches.